Oh, good morning. It is chilly out. It's about 45 degrees out this morning. We're going to do LED replacement bulbs. See if we can get this lit up a little better. And then we're going to change out our side markers and our front. Those are going to be LED and they're going to be smoked black. That way they'll kind of blend in a little better, I hope. I need to get my tools out here. Well, if you know anything about Jeeps, they are notorious for single bulb. So when you're cruising, you can't see crap at night. So we got these super bright light bulbs. I'll let you know if they're any good. Of course, you know, Chinese knockoff. But I can't afford them $300-400 lights. I just want it where she can see a little better at night. But we're changing out our side marker. Bring you guys over here. I'll show you. Oh, hey guys. Why'd you guys do that? All right. Tighten this up. Wrong way. There you go. Anyway, this is why we're changing. Ever since we got the Jeep, this side marker is busted. It still works, but we're going to get rid of that amber color and go with the smoke. I think that'll look really good. And then kind of show you here. Bring you guys back here a little bit. Then we're going to replace this one right here, and that'll be smoke also. Looks pretty sweet. Hopefully they work good. They had good reviews, but you know, that don't mean nothing. Whew, I need to get some tools. Man, it's cold out. Ugh. Not ready for winter. Just not ready. I guess I'll do the broken side first. And hopefully it's not hard. Get my tools out. Alright, so I'm missing an Allen wrench. That ain't good. What do I do with it? Okay, so they're basically saying get you an Allen wrench and you'll push these two pins in. This holds your fender in place, inner fender. So we're going to pop that out. There we go. Okay. There we go. Alright. Suckers are a little booger. Ain't gonna lie. It's probably been better to do during the summertime. Summertime blues. Alright, now I'm gonna clip in the light. And now what do we do? Here's a clip up here. It looks like it just pushes down. Okay, it just pushes down. It's just really stuck. Okay, and then you gotta, I think, twist this bulb out. I think it's what's hanging me up too. Get that bulb out of there. There we go. Okay, so it was just really wedged in there. That was a lot harder than it needed to be, but you know what? So we'll match it up, make sure it's good. Looks like we're good. So that just means hopefully the other side will be easier. I can get this one in here without breaking it. Almost there. I have to really stretch it. Here, there we go. Alright. I'll change this one out and see what happens. Pretty much see how you do it. You do it the same way as this side, but I'm going to check this one real quick. And then we're going to go ahead and start doing our front lights. Alright guys, I got the lights in. So that was the reason why this one was shutting off and on. That was operator error. I did not have it. The wire pushed all the way on. I kept working it back and forth, and then finally it popped in all the way. So it's all good now. I got the clips put on. Looks pretty sweet, don't it? Now I just got to put these stupid plastic things back in. I'm just reusing them. Basically just pushing it back in, and I'll kind of show you. See what I'm doing here this way. So there we go. So I just push these like that, slide it in the hole, and then this part, I guess plunger or whatever, centerpiece will get pushed in here, and then I just kind of help it with my pliers once it's on there, and easy peasy. I'll get this one pushed in like so. Here, click. She's in there. All right, now do this one. Same thing, I just push it up in there. Push that center piece down. When you hear it click a couple times, I just get me a pair of pliers. Push it down the rest of the way. There we go. Done. She needs a bath. She's a little dirty. Got dust all over it. Alright, now we need to move over here. This one, I believe we have to take the whole front grill off to get to the bulbs and stuff. Just stick your screwdriver in there. I just twist it. Use your fingers, pull it up the rest of the way, and then get back underneath it again. Just like so. And I'm just going to throw them in the box there. Let's see how many we got to do. 1, 3, 4, 6. So we got 6 of these. Kind of silly, you got to take the whole grill off to get to the headlights. But oh well. At least it's not hard. Okay, I think this will slide forward. The bottom is supposed to be just clipped in. I should be able to just pull it. I hope I don't break nothing. Yeah. get leery about this kind of stuff. There we go. Yep. You just pull it. Still makes me nervous. Alright. You witness like I did. That just pulls out. Okay. We can get to our new lights right here. Oh, might as well start with that one, huh? You guys recording? Yeah. Okay. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Alright. Unclip that. There's a red clip here. I don't remember. I think you just pull that forward. Okay. Bulb comes right off. Easy. Alright, so now this part has to come out. What do we do? Looks like two little clips. Okay, look at that. That's easy. Popped right out of there. We're going with the smoke ones. Smoked LEDs. Oh, these are labeled too, so you guys need to watch that too. Oh, we happen to grab the right one. Right. All right. Enough funny talk, mister. All right, slide this one in there. It only goes in one way. I just snaps right in there. And plug in our harness. Let's see if the lights come on. Oh, it lit up. There it is. That's cool. That's pretty neat. Oh, I guess that's in all the way. Okay. New light. Goes in like so. Like I said, it only goes in one way. I don't even know which way that is. Right there. Make sure it clips. Alright. That's in there. Make sure this one's in. That one's clipped. Ouch. Make sure your red clip gets pushed back down. This one you gotta do from the bottom. Which it may, I think I felt it with my finger, but I can't tell. Nope. Now it is. Alright. So let's go turn it back on. Alright. And we got lights. Let's wiggle the wires. Make sure they don't flicker. All good. Alright. Alright, we're ready for our headlights now. Oh. And we got to take this housing off, pull that out, and get our bulb out. Alright, back at it again. Ugh. Had to go run and do some errands real quick. Now I'm back. We're ready to start working on our headlights. I think they said it was a T15, and it is. So T15. Take that dude off of here. Should be 4 screws. Put them right here in that little spot there. Guess I could have Just took the grill completely out of the way. And I already clipped it in. Oh, don't do like me. Just take the whole thing off. The whole grill. I clipped the lights back in. I guess I could unhook it right there. No. Just take it out. It'll be alright. We can't make it easy. We don't want to make it easy. Where's the other screw? You're a drone or something flying around. I don't see them, but I hear them. Okay. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Okay. Red clip right here. Push that up. Push that down. Bulb comes right out. That's just the factory one. This is the Seal Light brand. Seen good reviews on it. There's the serial number or part number, whatever you want to call it. Why is it not focusing? There you go. There's part number if you guys need it. They're supposed to be really bright. I guess I should have turned the headlights on so you can kind of see the difference, but oh well. Crap. I forgot. Somebody said that these bulbs are directional. They only. I guess I better look at the directions. I think it's got to be turned a certain way for your high and lows to work right. Put you on pause while I do a little retan. Alright, put the bulb back in. I don't know which way I have it. So apparently it makes a difference for high and low. So we're going to turn the regular light or turn the lights on and see what's going on here. Oh, gotta get the keys. Okay, that's regular. Regular lights are on right now. You can definitely tell difference. Alright, let's see if we can tell difference on the brights. Okay. Oh yeah, I like those. Those look really nice. Instead of the yellow crap. These are clear. Those are nice. Alright, let's see. Turn the brights on. See if that looks brighter. I'll have to do a playback because I don't know. Can't tell. I'm going to flip the brights on and off, see if I can see a difference. That's the brights on. Brights off. Okay, I think I got it the right way. Get this grill out of the way. It's being a pain in my butt. Actually, it had to work just like that. Should have done that a long time ago. Being lazy. Surely not me. Doing it the easy way. Keep it easy. What's nice about this is I'm just changing the bulb, so I shouldn't have to adjust anything. Okay. That should be good. Okay. Just took the wires back in there. It's cool. He's got little fans on them to keep them cool. Hopefully they do good. Gets good reviews. But that don't mean nothing. Well, I guess it does mean something because I bought the damn things. I'll let you know how I like them. I can tell they already look a lot better. We're in the daytime and I can see them. They look really good. I love the color. Just a T15 for these screws. I'm just barely snugging them because I don't want to strip it. All right, we're ready for the grill to go back on. Actually, put you guys back like this. Now we're ready to put the grill back on and our little clips. I'm gonna get all this stuff off of here so we don't lose it. This pushes all back in. What do we do with them other clips? Oh, they're in a box. Oh, shoot, where'd that box go? Okay, I found them. Crap. Probably should check this before I start putting this all back together. Dummy. Oh well. Let's go try. Get you guys back over here. I'm gonna turn the lights back on. Oh, we can pull this off now. Yeah, man, that looks freaking awesome. Alright, there's a regular. There's brights. Yeah, that looks sweet. Very nice. That's low beams. I like it. Well, that looked nice. A nice little improvement. There's a before. A big difference. I like it. Looks nice. How many times did I say that? All right, well, that's all we got for today. I wanted to get that done for the wife because this Jeep is hard to see at night. So hopefully these new lights will be good. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, hit that like button, please. Really helps the channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe already. All right. Peace out. Signing off. Oops. Hey, don't forget, keep it cheap and easy.